In this video, I will show you how to fix lag in Google Chrome so your browser runs smooth and fast. Now there's a couple of things you can check and do in Google Chrome to improve the performance and speed. First, what you want to do is open up a Chrome browser, come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome and click onto the three dots to open this menu. Next, what you want to do is come down and click onto settings, and in your settings you want to come over to the menu on the left hand side and look for the system option. Give that a click. Now in here you should see an option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If this is turned off, turn it on, or if you have it turned on, then turn it off. Once you've made the change, be sure to click the relaunch button to relaunch Chrome and apply the changes, and you can then see if that fixes any lag issues. If after doing this you're still experiencing lag and you're finding Google Chrome is still running slow, the next thing you can check is related to extensions. So coming back to Google Chrome, come up to the top right hand corner of Chrome, click again onto the dots to open the menu, and this time you want to come and hover over extensions. On the submenu, click onto manage extensions, and from here what you can do is just go ahead and turn off all your extensions. Once you've done that, what I would recommend doing is closing down Chrome and relaunching Chrome to again apply any changes, and that should make a massive improvement to your Chrome browsing speed. What you can then do is come back to your extensions and start turning them on one by one, which is going to help you figure out which extensions are causing lag on your Google Chrome browser. So that is how to fix lag in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.